In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your username in X, formerly known as Twitter, if you forgot. A lot of people forget their usernames, and today I'll show you how to recover your account without it. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's start. Open X. You can use the app on your phone or go to the X website on your browser. It works the same on both phone and computer. Go to Forgot Password. On the login page, click or tap the Forgot Password link. Enter your email or phone number. Even if you don't remember your username, X can find your account using the contact info you used when signing up. Search for your account. Type in your email or phone number and press search. If X finds your account, it'll show part of your username or your profile name so you can confirm it's yours. Choose how to reset. Pick whether you want the reset link sent to your email or a reset code sent as a text message. Follow the instructions. If you get an email, click the reset link. If you get a text, enter the code on the page. Then make a new password. Choose something strong, unique, and easy for you to remember. Enter it again to confirm. Now you can log into X using your email or phone number and your new password. No username needed.